Managing TDS manually is complex and time consuming, from maintaining TAN details to ensuring accurate deductions and payments. With Saral HRM, TDS computation becomes effortless, automated, and seamlessly aligned with your payroll for complete accuracy and compliance. Setting up TAN, PAN, and e-filing details shouldn't take hours. Saral HRM makes configuration easy. Just update your company details once, and the system automatically applies them across all tax computations. It's quick, compliant, and completely hassle free. Inaccurate salary mapping often leads to incorrect tax deductions. With Saral HRM, you can map each salary component directly to its TDS reference, ensuring every deduction aligns with government rules and payroll accuracy is maintained. Manual income tax calculation leaves room for error. Saral HRM automates the process, calculating taxes based on salary, exemptions, and deductions, while allowing you to edit values anytime for complete control and flexibility. Handling employees under different tax regimes can be confusing. Saral HRM simplifies this by letting you switch between the old and new tax regimes effortlessly, ensuring every employee's tax is computed correctly under their chosen structure. Projecting TDS manually for future months is tedious and error prone. With Saral HRM, extrapolation happens automatically, giving you clear month-wise projections for upcoming months and helping you plan payroll deductions with precision. Tracking previous employer income manually often results in mismatched tax totals. Saral HRM lets you integrate income, deductions, and TDS from previous employers, ensuring accurate full year tax computation for every employee. Managing multiple deductions under different tax regimes can be tedious. Saral HRM simplifies this with built-in proof validation, automatically verify deduction details, reducing paperwork and ensuring tax compliance effortlessly. Complex tax calculations can slow down payroll and cause inaccuracies. Saral HRM auto calculates taxable income, total deductions, and final TDS with precision, giving you faster, error free payroll every time. Evaluating which tax regime benefits your employees can be tricky. With Saral HRM, get clear tax summaries and instant side by side comparisons of old versus new regimes, making payroll decisions simpler and more transparent. With Saral HRM, TDS management is no longer a challenge. Automate calculations, ensure compliance, and deliver precise payrolls all in one place. Experience effortless end to end TDS computation with Saral HRM today.